Ever been startled by the mysterious gurgling toilet sounding off in the dead of night like some ghostly plumbing apparition? You're not alone. That unsettling noise, however harmless it might seem, is actually a cry for help from your bathroom fixtures. But don't worry, there's no need to dial Ghostbusters for this one. Today we're diving into an article from our website to help you understand what's causing that gurgling symphony in your bathroom and how to put an end to it. A gurgling toilet often points to a clog or blockage somewhere along the line. Think about it like traffic on a busy highway. When there's an accident, or in this case a clog, things slow down and start making noise. You might think you're helping out by flushing wipes marked as flushable, but here's some news. They aren't really flushable. These non-disintegrating items don't break down quickly enough, leading to what we plumbers call toilet bubbles, or worse, complete blockages. This also goes for paper towels and other materials that take their sweet time breaking down. When these accumulate over time, you'll hear more than just a toilet gurgle. You may be calling us up for serious repair work. If you're dealing with such a situation, using tools like drain snakes could be music to your ears, or rather pipes. A drain snake slithers its way through the pipe network, breaking up any obstacles along its path, much like clearing roadblocks during rush hour. Sometimes, though, our little friend the drain snake might need some backup from his big brother, the sewer auger, if the problem lies beyond just house drains. When obstructions happen in main sewer lines that connect multiple houses together, things get complicated as they impact more than just one home. If these issues occur outside property boundaries, they usually fall under the responsibility of the town or water company. If your neighbors are also experiencing gurgling toilets and slow drains, it's time to alert the authorities. But if you're the only one facing these problems, it's likely that your home's link to the main sewer line is messed up. You'll need some professional help. Your toilet gurgling could also be a sign of vent pipe issues. These pipes play a crucial role in your plumbing system, ensuring the smooth flow of waste and water through your drains. A common cause that could lead to blocked vents is debris or animal nests lodged within them. A broken or leaking sewer line isn't just a pipe problem. It's more akin to breaking up with someone over text. In other words, it's downright nasty. In conclusion, cracking the code of your gurgling toilet is no ghostly mystery. It's about understanding common culprits like clogs, blocked vents, and drain lines. You've learned how non-disintegrating items can wreak havoc on our plumbing systems, causing those spooky sounds. Tackling clogged drains with tools like drain snakes might just be the silver bullet you need to banish this bathroom phantom for good. So remember, when you're facing plumbing mysteries, don't hesitate to call Anthem. We're here to help you decipher the plumbing symphony in your home. Call 951-389-5151 for Inland Empire or 760-895-2621 for the Coachella Valley.